Okay, hello and welcome everyone. This is a simple revision for reading comprehension and helping you. This video will help you get ready for the reading comprehension of the final exam paper. So let's take this as a sample and think together for simple answers that again will help you monitor and know where to answer from and how to answer. Let's start reading. A light meal can be good for you. It's easy to make from things in the kitchen. Well, you just mix up raisins and peanuts to make my own trail mix. First, let's think of one thing. What's this one talking about? It's talking about light meal. Light meal. But if we go to the questions and see question number 1, saying what could be the author's purpose for writing this passage? Now, you remember that we have 3 purposes: to inform, to entertain, and to persuade. Okay, is this one, could this one be to entertain? Well, I don't think so, because it's saying a light meal can be good for you. It's easy to make from things in the kitchen. So he is trying to persuade you. Okay, is trying to persuade you and show you how to make a light meal. So you can write persuade and inform. To persuade and to inform. What could be, or what's the main idea of the first paragraph? You know all that this is the first paragraph, and the main idea is usually located on the first 2 sentences. So I usually advise you to go pick the first 2 sentences. So I come here and write, it's easy, it's good and easy to make, let's say. A light meal is easy and good to make from things in the kitchen. Kitchen. Well, so we said the main idea is usually located here. If you don't know how to create a sentence like this, just come over here, copy paste this one, okay? Or take the first 2 sentences and write them. That's all. But all in all, if you try to write it, go on and be more perfect, just go and write a light meal is easy and good to make from things in the kitchen. Okay, what are the supporting details? Now, the supporting details should come after the main idea and can start from here. Well, you just mix up raisins and peanuts to make my own or your own trial mix. So we can select this one and write it over here. Let's write it. Well, you just remember, don't leave any question unanswered. You have got to answer it. Let's underline this one and tell that this is the supporting detail. As I told you, don't leave any question and mix up raisins and peanuts to make let's change this one to your own trial mix. your own child mix. We don't have enough space. Mix. Remember again that any sentence from the first paragraph can support the main idea. How can you make a happy face meal? Well, the question is talking about happy face meal and the keywords happy face meal. Let's check where happy face meal is. You can, or you like to add granules or fruit to a cup of yogurt. My favorite meal is a piece of cheese on a cracker. Last week, I made my own happy face meal. I got a cup of applesauce and but the main thing that we are just focusing on is like, how can you make a happy face? This is the question. Okay, so we got something related to it. I made my own happy face meal. And the answer is over here. I got a cup of applesauce, cinnamon, some raisins, and a rice cake. I mixed them and little cinnamon into the applesauce. Then I spread it on the rice cake and used the raisin to make a smiley face. It looked cute. Well, if you got tired, you can just copy paste it. Okay, copy paste this one and put it here. If you have a problem writing, like you feel, oh, it's long and like that, but I would advise you to go, okay, and come over here. Let's type it if we could, if we have enough space. Okay, can start from I got, or let's say, yeah, a cup of applesauce, cinnamon, some raisins, and rice cake. And rice cake. And I can write the details in here by completing the rest. I mixed, or just mixed, a little cinnamon and so on. Okay, so into the applesauce, then I spread it on the rice cake and use the raisin to make a smiley face. Try to finish it, okay? Try to finish it. You can continue writing over here. So it's not so hard to try to answer such a question. Going to number 5. Number 5 is asking what's the author's favorite meal. The author's favorite meal is written over here. You can see if you come up, my favorite meal is a piece of cheese cracker. So the answer is piece of cheese crackers. So he likes cheese crackers. So come here and write cheese. I don't know if you can see it or no. Crackers. Okay, cheese crackers, that's all. Okay. Let's go to the next exercise. We will have 2 exercises. We already finished the first one. Let's clear this one, go to the next one. The next one will be about a girl named Layla. Okay, and this girl was nervous as she stepped into the classroom. Now just read the first sentence. It's about Layla. She was nervous as she stepped into the classroom. So classroom is a school. Where does this one take place? It's a school or classroom, in the classroom. How does she feel when she comes in? She is nervous. Nervous. How do Lydia and Miss Engels make Layla feel? Now let's search for Lydia, a girl called Lydia and Miss Engels. Today she would start at the school and 12 other children, all of the different ages, and all sitting at the desk. She didn't know where to sit. Miss Engels smiled. So just see one. She smiled and greeted her. This is the miss. And hello, Layla, welcome to the school. As other children looked on, she led Layla to the seat. This is the miss. Layla would share her desk with Lydia Simpson. Now, Lydia came on, a girl she already knew from town. Lydia gave Layla a small wave. Let's all welcome Layla to class, Miss Engels said. So both welcomed her. Miss Engels smiled. Miss Engels or Engels smiled, and Lydia waved her hand, and Lydia waved her hand and welcomed her. Write one supporting detail. You can choose whatever you like to choose from here. And one supporting detail could be like, Miss Engels greeted her and welcomed. Hello, Layla, welcome to school. Okay, she said, we can pick up this one. Hello, Layla, welcome to school. Okay, so it depends on you. You can choose any other sentence from there, any supporting detail that help support the main idea that was here. No. Just, I think we made a small mistake. We have got to erase this one. Let's write this here. Okay, and again, pay your attention. So how did they welcome her? Miss Engels smiled. Miss Engels smiled. Miss Engels smiled and welcomed her. And also her friend Lydia gave Layla a small wave, okay? And Lydia gave Layla a small. How did she give her? She gave her a small, wait, let's try this one like this. Miss Engels smiled. Lydia also, they all welcome her. Lydia, what did Lydia do? Gave Layla a small wave. Gave Layla a small wave. Full stop. Write a sentence that tells the main idea of the story. Okay, so Layla was nervous as she stepped. We can pick it from here. at the school, because this is the first day of school. So we can write here, Layla was nervous as she stepped into the classroom. Write one supporting detail. Okay. Today she would start at the school. Okay. Today she would start at the school at the school.